how to fix TikTok live lag, TikTok lagging problem solution. Now, if you're watching live on TikTok, so you open the TikTok app and then at the top left, you can see the option of live. And then if it is lagging for some particular reason like this, it could be due to many reasons. First of all, you want to make sure it's not your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the TikTok app. Then tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side. Then simply go to the option called settings and privacy. From there, simply scroll down to the bottom until you see the option called free up space and then tap on it. Once done, here under cache, tap on the clear cache button to clear some of the cache. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and open up your Play Store or your App Store respectively. In the search bar, go ahead and then type in TikTok and then just check if the TikTok app has an update available, and if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version. After you follow all the steps, next time you can simply relaunch the TikTok application and re-access the live section, and now you can see it is completely lag free. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.